This has got to be the favorite hard drive that we use here. It is my favorite because it's so powerful, so speedy. It's able to read and write at over a gig a second. Yes, you heard right, second. So I love it because it's super durable. It is SSD, which means solid state drive. And on top of the no moving part deal, this thing can be submerged in water for up to 3 minutes and even thrown around in dusty and sandy conditions, and it will still work, provided you get it dry first, but it will still work. How amazing is that? And as you can see, extremely portable. I carried it all over the place. It can fit in my pocket and I'm not scared of breaking it because, like I said, extremely durable and no moving parts, which is a big plus. It can handle 4K video files and slow motion files, no problem whatsoever. And no matter the platform, it will work on Mac and Windows with 0 drivers necessary because it is USB-C, and they do provide you with this little USB-C cable that connects right there, and away you go. SanDisk, definitely once again for the win.